Minister Narendra Modi's controversial remark on Mahatma Gandhi has stirred row. Prime Minister Modi has made some claims about Mahatma Gandhi. Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to Mood Tiranga. After Prime Minister Narendra Modi made this claim, Congress was quick enough to slam him. PM Modi has claimed that nobody knew of Mahatma Gandhi before the film Gandhi was made on him. PM Modi, in an indirect attack to Congress, questioned that in the last 75 years, wasn't it our responsibility to let the whole world know about Mahatma Gandhi? He then said that nobody knew about Mahatma Gandhi. Then, the claim which PM Modi has put forward was that the whole world became curious about Mahatma Gandhi only after the Gandhi film. Here, Prime Minister Modi was referring to a film made on Mahatma Gandhi in 1982. Further, Prime Minister Modi emphasized that if Martin Luther King and Nelson Mandela had been well-known figures worldwide, then India should have worked better to make Mahatma Gandhi a world-renowned figure. However, PM Modi has also claimed that Mahatma Gandhi had the solution to several problems in India. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi took a swipe at Prime Minister Modi over this remark. In a post on X, Rahul Gandhi stated that only a student of entire political science would need to watch the film to know about Mahatma Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi used the word entire political science in reference to the MA degree certificate of Prime Minister Modi, which shows that PM Modi completed his masters in entire political science. Further, Rahul Gandhi released a video statement where he talked about Mahatma Gandhi's legacy and at the same time took a jibe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
शाखाओं में जिनकी वर्ल्ड व्यू बनती है वो गांधी जी को नहीं समझ सकते, वो गोडसे को समझते हैं, गोडसे के रास्ते को अपनाते हैं। गांधी जी पूरी दुनिया के लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन थे। मार्टिन लूथर किंग जूनियर, नेल्सन मंडेला, एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, ये सब लोग गांधी से इंस्पायर हुए। हिंदुस्तान में करोड़ों लोग गांधी का रास्ता अपनाते हैं, अहिंसा और सत्य के रास्ते पे चलते हैं। लड़ाई सत्य और असत्य के बीच में है, हिंसा और अहिंसा के बीच में है। हिंसा के लोग, असत्य के लोग ना अहिंसा को समझ सकते हैं, ना सत्य को समझते हैं।
Rahul Gandhi here said that world views of those which are formed at the shakhas can't understand Mahatma Gandhi. They only understand Godse and follow his path. Meanwhile, CPIM leader Sitaram Yechury slammed Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his statement. He said that Gandhi never needed anybody to promote his unparalleled legacy as a symbol of peace and non-violence. He further said that even before Modi was born, Mahatma Gandhi was nominated 5 times for the Nobel Peace Prize. After this, people across social media platforms started digging out old newspaper clippings, magazine covers, photographs, news clips and postage stamps of Mahatma Gandhi. They also shared how several countries have installed statues of Mahatma Gandhi. This was to prove PM Modi wrong. Through these posts, the public wanted to fact check how the world was influenced by Mahatma Gandhi. Do let us know what you think of this remark of PM Modi about Mahatma Gandhi. Well, that's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching SW News English for all the updates on elections.
A grueling 6-week-long general election in India is coming to an end. 543 constituencies across the length and breadth of India.
लोकसभा चुनाव 2024 आ चुका है अपने अंतिम पड़ाव पर। कौन होगा विजय? किसकी बनेगी सरकार?
Will the BJP do 400 par, a claim made by the Prime Minister, or will the opposition India Alliance stage a comeback?
अब की बार
Join us as we bring to you expert analysis and incisive and in-depth perspectives on who has the edge.
पाए सटीक विश्लेषण, बिना किसी शोर, बिना किसी सनसनी, हमारे इस विशेष लाइव।
So join us for the exit poll on the 1st and for the final results on the 4th. See you then.
Exit polls coverage on 1st June 6:30 p.m. onwards. Result day on 4th June 7 a.m. onwards.
सिर्फ HW न्यूज इंग्लिश और HW न्यूज नेटवर्क पर।
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.